Okay, it's just kind of a flower arrangement with a little bevel and emboss. So just starting off with the center guide through that graphic, and this just shows a couple of the logos, how they've been used with BP. British Petroleum used to be Sohio or Standard Oil. So two ruler guides just to find the center and just a line segment, and then use the direct selection segment of the pen tool to stretch it across, flip it and make a transform on the other side and join those together and give it a color and just rotate it. There's 18 of these, so 360 divided by 18, and Command D will reproduce all those coming across. And then using the Pathfinder under divide and breaks them all up, and then you just have to go around and select each one, group them together, just give a different color so you can see it. I think I missed one on the inside. So I'll have to go back and fix that. So doing the outer ones, just clicking with the shift key to select them, give them a group and color. And this one I have to double click. Grab the second row and give that a color. We'll come back to the last one. The last one I'm just going to double click on to isolate it in the isolation mode, and then I can fix that in there. But just using the eyedrop with the shift key to grab the same colors on the sample. Double click on this one, and that'll let me select it to the color, give it white. Select all of them, take the stroke off, and now you have this floral group, and that you can keep it in Illustrator, but I just dragged it into Photoshop, copied it, and we'll paste it in as pixels. And then you can just put some effects, just some layer style, drop shadow, bevel emboss, that type of thing. This has the grid, just hide the grid. And then this will allow you to put a drop shadow, soften it, change the opacity if you like, and just to get comfortable using some of the segments in there. And the next one, this is just a shield, not too difficult, just draw a ruler guide down the center and just do half the shield with the pen tool, shift key to help you adjust it. And I'm just going to keep the stroke, not going to finish the middle one, just transfer it on the other side with the option and copy. Select the both and use the path to join them together. Do an offset path for the outer edge, change that to yellow, and then just go ahead and type in the text. This does not have an italicized piece, so just outline, swap the fill and stroke, and use the shear tool to simulate the kind of italic option with the arrow key. It's not going to match perfectly, but just give us a type in there. Change the color, select this group, and I'm just going to take it in the exact same Photoshop file and paste it in as pixels, and go to the layer style and just option and take the FX and copy it, and that'll give you a quick capture. Very easy.